Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage app notifications on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So go to the settings, in settings go to the notifications, then go to app notifications, and here you can choose which apps are allowed to send you notifications. You can also click on the app, on the name of the app, not on the switch, and you'll have the option to disable sound and vibration or enable it, and you also can choose which types of notifications are allowed, so the lock screen, app icon badge, and notification pop-up. So for example, I can for the let's say, I don't know, weather, I don't want the notification pop-up, and this is how it works. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.